So, ayan na guys. Hi guys! So, ito na guys yung Chuchi! Hi! You have 5 kittens! Huh? You have beautiful kittens. 5 beautiful kittens guys. Ayan. So, nakaraos na siya guys. Ayan. 5 guys. Kaya pala ang laki ng tiyan niya guys. Nagpapadidi siya ngayon guys. Ayan. Kukulit ng kanyang mga kittens guys. Look at that. Okay.